In an organisation, we appoint a board to be the voice and hands of the organisation. We do this because an organisation can't speak for itself, as it's not a person. So the board is responsible for speaking on behalf of what the organisation would want it to do if it had a voice. The board is a group of people because we hope that a group of people will make better decisions than just one person. So we appoint different people with different perspectives to the board, so we can enable any decision to be thought through from all sorts of angles. In the NZSL board, the terms of reference requires the board to have a variety of perspectives, such as gender, at least 2 people who identify as Maori, young people, older people, and other ethnic groups. It also states that the DPO needs to have a voice on the board, as they bring a valuable perspective to the conversations. Regardless of why a person is appointed to the board, once they're on the board, they're required by law to put the best interests of the organisation first in any decisions they make. This is called the first duty. A young person can't just vote for things that will benefit young people. Maori can't vote for things that just benefit Maori. Everyone must do their first duty and make decisions based on what will be the best decision for the whole of the NZSL board and its work. In the existing terms of reference, Clause 10 requires that one member of the board shall be a representative of Deaf Aotearoa as the disabled person's organisation for the deaf community. The term representative is confusing because it makes it sound as if that person should speak on behalf of Deaf Aotearoa and benefit Deaf Aotearoa over the needs or work of NZSL. But as we've just discussed, the person is not allowed to do that because that would mean they're not doing their first duty, which is to put the NZSL board first. The word representative is becoming less and less acceptable in documents like terms of reference or constitutions that give authority to a board. This is because it is often thought that a representative has to represent or speak on behalf of the group they are representing. It is for this reason that the phrase representing the DPO needs to be changed to nominated by the DPO. If the wording is changed to nominated by, this would be clearer that the perspective of the DPO is brought to the board discussions, but all board members, including the DPO nominee, must do their first duty and make decisions for the benefit of the NZSL board and work ahead of the DPO. The DPO would nominate an appropriately skilled person to be on the NZSL board. But when that person goes to board meetings and has discussions with the NZSL board, they have to do their first duty and speak with the NZSL voice. They could not reveal information to DPO that hadn't been approved by the NZSL board. Any decisions they make would be made with their NZSL hat on and not wearing a DPO hat.